Welcome back, children, to a science online class. Hope all are fine and safe at home and understanding my videos, uh, whatever I teach in the video. I hope everyone understands. And if you have any problem, you can ask in the online class. Uh, Last time we had started lesson 7, solids, liquids and gases, and I was teaching forms of matter. There are 3 forms of matter: solid, liquid and gas. So solid I had explained you last time. Solids are hard, it has fixed shape, it cannot be broken unless we apply force on it, and it does not change the shape. Now today we will read about liquid. So children, open your science book, lesson 7, page number 76. Open page 76. Liquids. Let us read. A liquid does not have a fixed shape. I told you liquids do not have fixed shape. Solids have fixed shape. We cannot change the shape of the solid, but liquids do not have fixed shape. It takes up the shape of the container in which it is filled. When poured, it takes the shape of the new container. With an example, I will explain you. See, this is a glass of water. Water is liquid. And when I pour a glass of water in the jar, it takes the shape of the jar. Can you see? Takes the shape of the jar. And when the same water I pour it in the bowl, steel bowl it takes the shape of the bowl. And again, if I pour it back in the glass, it takes the shape of the glass. So, have you understood? Liquids have no fixed shape. When I pour it in the glass, it takes the shape of the glass. When we pour it in the jar, it takes the shape of the jar. Or when we pour it in the bowl, it takes the shape of the bowl. So it does not have a fixed shape. But it has fixed quantity. The volume is not increasing. The quantity is not increasing or decreasing. How much water I had taken? That much water only in the jug or in the bowl or in the glass. Quantity is not increasing or decreasing. So let us read now the properties of liquids. First point, liquids do not have a fixed shape. You have seen through the example. Second point, liquids have a fixed volume. I showed you the quantity of water did not increase or decrease. Quantity volume was fixed. Third point, liquids can be poured and spilled. Spilled means if you spread it on the floor, it will spill. If the glass will fall on the table, the water will spill. The milk spills. So this all liquids are in the form of oil. Oil is liquid. You can see if I pour it this side, it comes this side. So it can be poured or it can spill. Same way, medicine, if I take, it is in liquid form, medicine. So these liquids have fixed shape, do not have fixed shape. They have fixed volume and they can be poured and spilled. Through this activity, see given here, I have explained you just now this activity. Same way, you can also see at home, do and see at home. So now, we have finished forms of matter, solid. Solid has fixed shape and it cannot be broken or removed from one place to another. We have to apply force on it and it has a fixed quantity. Same way, liquid. Liquid has fixed volume but it does not have a fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container we pour into. Now we are going to read about gas. See in your book, page 77. Gases do not have any shape or size. They spread in the entire available space. Air is a mixture of many gases. We cannot hold air in our hand. So now air. Air is a mixture of many gases. In the air, oxygen is there, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, helium, so many types of gases are there in the air. And that is why we say air is a mixture of many gases. And we cannot hold air. If you put on the fan, can you hold the air from it? Only you feel it. We cannot hold the air. Most gases are colorless and cannot be seen. The gas has no color. It is colorless, like water. Water is colorless. Liquid. Water is liquid and it is colorless. Gas also is colorless, but we cannot hold it. Liquid we can see. Gas we can feel, we can smell. See in this last time I showed you. This is empty balloon. There is no air. Different shape. When the air is filled in the balloon, it changes the shape. And when there was more air last time, in the last video you saw, the balloon was big because there was more air. Now the air has become less. So the balloon has become small. It has changed the shape. This portion also, see, when air is less, it is becoming smaller. So next, let us read the properties of gases. You can see in the example of gas, parachute, air is filled in that, gas cylinder is there, filled, and this also CNG gas in the auto rickshaw and all, some they move with the CNG gas, cars move with the CNG gas. They have to fill. We cannot see the air, but it is filled. When it is filled, then only the vehicle works. Now let us read properties of gases. Gases do not have fixed shape or size. You saw in the balloon last time, when in the last video I showed you big balloon, because there was more air, so the balloon was looking big. Now the air is less in that, the balloon has become small. Same way, gases, second point, gases spread and fit all the space available to them in a closed container. How much cylinder is there? Gas cylinder is there. If mummy leaves the gas stove on, the whole room will fill with the gas. If the kitchen is small, that is much small place will be filled with gas. So it takes the available, it spreads in the available space. Next point, gases are present all around us in the air. Gas is everywhere, wherever, somewhere. If we go in the garden, beautiful flowers are there, we get smell, beautiful smell sometimes. If we go in some place where garbage is there, we can get dirty smell. So this all spread. The smell is gas, and that spreads wherever we are. Around us, everywhere there is air. Next point, the oxygen we breathe in and the carbon dioxide we breathe out are some examples of gases. The oxygen, early morning mummy says go and take fresh air in the terrace, or go and stay in the garden to take fresh air, because trees give us oxygen, and carbon dioxide is not good. And if you go near the trees night time, they give out carbon dioxide. So these are the examples of gases. Okay children, till here we will do, and you will understand nicely forms of matter. I hope all understood, and read again and go through, find the difference between solid, liquid and gas, and stay well and study well and stay safe. Thank you.